Hi everybody, Paul here again. If you have a major clunking sound when your dryer runs, then I'm going to show you how to easily fix it. So stay tuned. And of course I've always got my assistant Sparky to give me a hand. Isn't that right, buddy? First unplug the dryer. So first we'll need to remove the two screws located here and here. Now tilt the panel up and remove it. Next I'll remove the on-off door switch wire from this clip. Next we'll need to remove this front drum assembly by removing the four screws located here, 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 and here. Now you can remove the front unit. Next you'll see the drum belt located here. Take the drum belt and slide it off of this pulley. Next we need to remove the drum belt. Take the drum belt and push it back and forth on the top right and the top left towards the back until it slips off of the back of the drum. Now you can remove the drum. There's the belt right there. Just continue to slide it off towards the back. There, just come off. Once you get to this point, I would highly recommend that you vacuum any lint on the inside of the unit to reduce any future fire hazard. So your dryer has what's called drum support roller wheels, and it'll have two. There's one located here, and there's one located here. This one isn't too bad, but this one's really bad. Whenever your dryer makes a clunking sound, this is usually always the problem. Always replace these both at the same time and use OEM parts so that they last the longest. In order to get the correct drum support roller wheels for your dryer, you'll need the model number. This will usually be found on the top of the machine or by the door. I picked these up on eBay for $30 with free shipping. Again, I highly recommend that you order genuine OEM factory parts, which means they'll last longer. To replace this wheel, the first thing you'll need to do is remove this clip. Just get a pair of needle nose pliers, grab the one side, and it'll come off. Next, remove the front washer. Remove the front wheel. And remove the rear washer. Next, install the new rear washer, the new wheel, and install the new front washer. You probably will not get a new clip, so just reinstall the original. As you can see, the clip is back on and it's done. Again, be sure to replace both wheels. Once the new wheels have been installed, simply put everything back together in the order it was taken apart. The loud thumping noise is now gone and it's completely quiet again. I hope you found this helpful, and if you like this video, please hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and please be sure to subscribe. God bless you and have a great day. Bye for now. Okay, Sparky, wait.